Hello everyone, this is another video from the Disc of Paper Dance. In this video I am sharing some of the glimpses of my creative exploration of portraiture. That's what I call it. Through the eyes of an artist, let me say it is a walk of life with a brush and a pencil and a heart full of melted colors. So it goes like brushstrokes after brushstrokes until it becomes a chaos, and then it turns itself into a thing of beauty. Chaos of an artwork is like a never-ending puzzle of colors and contours in which an artist experiences being stuck in the middle of a maze. Some paths leads to desolation and some paths leads to elegance and beauty. It is difficult to see and distinguish which path is which until one travels through them. The process of creating artwork is fragile, and it is true that not all the artworks makes it to the surface. In fact, most of them ends up in a trash bin. But the taste of colors and brushstrokes becomes a part of a memory of the artist. It is difficult to elaborate the so-called the walk of the brush. To me it felt like a deep meditation, where I got the insights of the depths of my own mind and I saw existence of a different universe, a different reality I guess. It exists there as a broken fragments of a larger memory. I know I cannot bring it all to life, but some of it I can show. Walking through the realms of portraiture, I came across a dense mist of emotions of all sorts, from happiness to sadness and sorrow, and to love and affection. It is indeed challenging to drag a brush across the canvas while being in a state of attached emotion, because it intervenes with the thoughts dressed in colors and the brushstrokes. I think it is a part of art journey and an artist have to go through it. It felt like an absolute magic to see the emotions changing with a touch of a brush from this to that with just a few strokes. It just takes too many eyes to see in which dimension it changes the emotion. What it signifies or what it reflects is the agility of the mind to shift from one emotion to the other within a fraction of a second. Sometimes it is under the control of the observer and sometimes it is under the control of the brush holder. And with intellectual creativity, sometimes it turns into a brilliant artistry. As the journey continues and the time passes by, I want to put one more brush stroke and mix one more shade of color till it sparkles one more eye. Thanks for watching.